Are your favorite print-on-demand sites like Redbubble and Merch by Amazon now using the popular bleached effect on t-shirts, hoodies, and tote bags? Nah, sorry, they aren't. Stay tuned. I'll show you how to use Canva to make your designs look like they are. Welcome back to The King's Queen, where I teach you how to master your hustle with graphic design. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm a self-taught graphic designer, haven't been to any school, taken any courses, and unless you count YouTube as a university, that's about it. I've been doing graphic design professionally since about 2015. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I make a passive income daily from Amazon KDP, Merch by Amazon, and Etsy. If you find anything that I say valuable, or you just like the vibe, subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Like I said in the intro, Merch and all those other platforms do not offer bleach clothing, but I found a way on Canva to make it appear as if our clothing have bleached areas. So we're gonna open up a new canvas. I'm gonna do one the size for merch. I'm gonna go 4500 pixels by 5400. And side note, if you like the way my Canva is set up in dark mode, I'll link the video to show you how to achieve that. It helps me out tremendously. Now I'm gonna open this. And since we don't do bleached effect on white clothing, I'm gonna change the background to black. And this is a voiceover, so if things don't exactly match up, you'll understand why. I did this video so many times and my mic was not working, so I had to do other things. But okay, we're gonna go to elements and we are going to type the word blur. We want our image to have that faded out look, and the blur element gives me that the perfect way. So I'm gonna choose this long one here, but you can choose any one you want. But I kind of like this one. I'm gonna duplicate it a couple more times and put them together as one image. Then we're gonna center it so it kind of takes up most of the area that would be where an image for a t-shirt would be. I'm gonna center it. Okay, next we're gonna go back to elements and type in paint splatter so that we can put paint splatter all around the edges and give it that like bleach has been splattered all over the place. Gives it some depth, gives it a little bit more character. And I'm going to turn these spots white so that it blends in really good. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. And like I said, just go all the way around. Now when placing the splatters, I don't want to just place and make them look the same. Once I place one, I rotate it a little bit. And each time, if you rotate it, it gives it a better effect. It doesn't look so uniform, because when you're splashing around bleach, the spots do not land in the same spot. Like you see these two on top of each other. Bleach doesn't do that. So I'm going to turn it a little bit to make it look a little bit more realistic. And now I'm going to speed up the video a little bit because I don't want to take all day. Down in the comments, why don't you let me know what platform you are using your graphics for? Redbubble, Society6, Etsy. Let me know down in the comments. Okay, next we're going to take a rectangle and I'm going to turn it white and I'm going to place it in the center of this graphic so I can cover up some of the parts of the paint splatter. We don't want to go all the way up because you're going to see the rectangle if we go all the way up to where it starts to fade. So we're going to pull it down a little bit. But we don't want all the splotches to show through the design that we're going to overlay on this background. That looks pretty good in the center. Now I'm gonna go to some of my designs and just pick something to lay over it. I think we're gonna choose this one here. Yeah. God don't play about me. Right. God does not play about me. We're gonna put that in. It's not centered, but I'm gonna fix that in a few moments. We're gonna duplicate one of the splotches of paint and I'm gonna recolor it to match the colors in this graphic that I just laid on top of the bleach effect. I'm gonna use the dropper and pick one of these colors. I think I'm gonna go with the pink. And now I'm going to duplicate and just randomly put the pink splotches around to kind of go in with the other splotches. And like I said, rotate because bleach is not uniform. It does not just lay like the next splatter. So rotate to make it look a little different, make it look a little realistic. And this is very simple. It's not hard at all. And there's so many different things you could overlay over these bleached effects. You can take the designs that you have sold by themselves and put them on top of the bleach effect and have a whole new file to sell or a whole new image to put on your t-shirts, hoodies, and tote bags. So I've got to center this, the God don't play about me image, because it is not in the middle. I'm going to pull it over to the left a little bit. Yep. Alright, we're going to upload it back and I'm going to show you all how it will look on top of different background shirts. But that's it. It's cute, it's simple, and I love the way it turned out. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And like I said, subscribe to the channel.